When I was 13, I had a genetic deformity in my hip. To fix it, you have to bring it back up and then pin around it to keep it in place. 2 of the 3 pins that went into me to pin the hip had Staph aureus on them. So a couple of weeks after the initial surgery, I developed a Staph aureus infection. And so for 5 years, I spent the whole time taking antibiotics and being in and out of hospitals. So biology was always what I enjoyed, and microbiology was really the only thing I ever really truly cared about. What I find really interesting about Staph aureus is that it causes infection in every single part of the body from head to toe. And no other bacteria does that. Bacteria we think of as these little kind of cellular organisms, and they grow individually and they don't really talk. But actually what they do is they form these things called biofilms. And so it's kind of like a protective coat that they can hide from wherever they are, right? They're resistant to antibiotic treatment, the immune system can't clear them, and it's one of these big mysteries of microbiology. When I'm teaching and talking to my students, I liken it to being kind of a molecular detective. Science is a slow process, and that it's constant gradual chipping away at the larger idea of trying to kind of uncover the knowledge from the darkness. When I came here, I didn't just want to study how bacteria kill people, but I also wanted to be able to maybe kill them, which is antibiotics or drugs that could be antibiotics that could treat infections. So learning everything we can about it is our best attack. Attack is the best defense. We do an awful lot, but that's also it speaks to the quality and the curiosity of the students here at USF. And I think that's just wonderful, being able to take these really talented, capable students and just give them a couple pieces of information or the tools that they need, and watching them just become hugely successful, right? I think we do great science, but the people I train are going to go on and do amazing things. And I think that's what I find to be the most fulfilling of everything they do.